Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome to Africa Media Live TV. Here is the update on Mohbad's death. Finally, Naira Marley finally speak out. It says, in the last few days, there has been a lot of onslaughts on my person and reputation globally over the death of my former Sydney. All manner of stories has been woven against me in respect of his untimely death. I have not been in shock over the death of the decade, whom I am considered to be my brother, a member of our music family. But over the various lies spread and threat against me, before I progress further, let me say that as it is traumatic for a lot of people to bear the reality of Hilary's death, so it is to me. May his gentle soul rest in peace, and may God grant his family the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. Permit me to categorically state that I have no hand in the death of Hilary, either directly or indirectly. It is not unusual in the industry, just like several other industries, to have the family friction, even amongst blood relatives. Truly, we had our own share of misunderstanding whilst working together, but the disagreement between us was never to extent being painted by some hirelings. It never degenerated to the extent of wishing each other death. Even at that, we was resolving our business disputes legally before it had passed. I have chosen not to say anything since due to being distraught over his death and in order not to jeopardize the investigation being carried out by the government agencies. In addition, I have been out of the country since 31st of August 2023, and I am yet to return in light of the police invitation. I am making arrangements to return to the country to assist the investigation and give my version of the event. I am fully cooperating with the police team, and I certainly have no reason to be fugitive when I have no hand in his death. I am certain that culprit behind his death and has a vendetta against me and fueling public opinion to have me lynched for reasons known to them. In due time, the circumstances surrounding Mohbad's death will be unveiled and the world will know the truth. This kind of scenario of attempting to set someone up is not novel in the industry, as other great musicians and experienced in the same and came out better and stronger. Mine will not be an expectation, as I am innocent of the accusations. Mohbad left the label in September 2022. The label accepted his departure. Marley's music did not stop or interfere with his career or releases since he has been with 1RPM. Legal efforts were made to reconcile his concerns regarding the work we had done together. The rumor regarding the label being a drug certain and untrue. I am not a drug lord, neither do I merely belong to any cult or fraternity. I am dedicated to proving my innocence, and I am cooperating with the authorities to clear my name with sufficient evidence. Marley's Music is an independent label run by a small, intimate team. We run a legitimate label that focuses on championing exception talent, breaking new acts, and nurturing them. I would like to clear state that I have never fought or attacked Mohbad. For the avoidance of doubt, I have never instructed anyone, friend, known association, or fans to attack, bully, or harass Mohbad. With regard to the talent on the label, none of our artists even fought or mistreated Mohbad. I shared my deepest condolence to the family. Let's be mindful as we seek justice to focus on supporting the police and authorities with relevant information and evidence surrounding his death so that those responsible will be apprehended. I am positive that at the end of the day, the truth will prevail and I shall be exonerated. My lawyer are already in touch with the police and the government agencies and will support in every way necessary. Without a doubt, I will honor his memory and I promise to do the right by him and his family. Thank you, Naira Marley. Èyí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí Naira Marley jù sórí afẹ́fẹ́. Ó ní òun ṣetán láti pawọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn agbófinró nípa ìwádìí tí wọ́n ṣe lọ́wọ́ lórí ikú tó pa eléré olúwa Alọ́ba. Ó dẹ̀ ní òun kò rán ẹnìkankan tàbí ọ̀rẹ́ tàbí ará kí wọ́n ṣe ìfìyàjẹ àbí ìdánidúró àbí ìkóniláyàjẹ fún Mohbad nígbà tí ó wà ní orílẹ̀ ìyẹ̀pẹ̀. Ó tẹ̀síwájú, ó lóun ṣetán láti gbárùkù tàwọn ọlọ́pàá láti wádìí ikú tó pa àti láti fi ojú àṣebí hàn. Èyí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí Azeez Fashola Naira Marley tó sọ jáde. Torí ó ní òun kò sí ní Nàìjíríà láti on the 30th of August ni òun ti kúrò lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Àmọ́ òun ti ń gbáradì láti padà wá sílé láti wá yọjú sí àwọn agbófinró nípa ìfinipè tí wọ́n pè òun kó òun sì yọjú sí wọn. Tọ́, èyí ni ìròyìn tá a ní ká mú wá sí etí ìgbọ̀yìn lásìkò yìí ní ohun tí Naira Marley táwọn èèyàn sọ pé òun ló ṣekú pa eléré olúwa Mohbad tó lóun ló ṣekú pa. Èyí ni nǹkan tó sọ. So guys, ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ ká wá àṣírí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kójú àṣebí kó lè hàn kó lè tó kó lè hàn sí ẹnìkan ọ̀kan wa. Nǹkan tí màá sọ ni pé ṣé a fẹ́ ní Naira Marley kò ló rán Sam Larry níṣẹ́ kó máa bully Mohbad káàkiri tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Naira Marley kò ló rán níṣẹ́, definitely Sam Larry gangan ó ní láti jẹ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní láti pe Sam Larry lọ. Àmọ́ oríṣiríṣi là ń gbọ́. Àwọn kan ní bàbá rẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa ikú ẹ̀ pé kí ló tó ṣe fẹ́ sìn lóru. Àwọn kan ní ìyàwó rẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa ikú ẹ̀. Àwọn kan ní Sam Larry ni. Gbogbo ojú Ọlọ́run ló tó gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Àmọ́ mo jẹ́rìí pé kò ní pẹ́ kò ní jìnnà ojú àṣebí á hàn. Àṣírí á tú àwọn ẹni tó ṣekú pa eléré olúwa Mohbad. Èyí la ní ká mú wá títí gbọ̀yìn lásìkò yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ máa like bá ṣe ń fún yín, kẹ́ máa like ẹ. Ẹ máa comment, kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa share. Ó ṣe kókó, ẹ máa pín káàkiri, ẹ máa share. Ẹ má gbàgbé kẹ́ láti máa subscribe torí wà important. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ máa subscribe síbẹ̀. Ó dìgbà kan náà.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.